Hi everyone, I'm Lori from Dee's, back with another great kit. This one is for Halloween. Check out this adorable metal pumpkin. It is so cute with the embossed Happy Halloween on it. It's very nice, very sturdy, and we are going to embellish this so that you can hang it on a door or your wall for Halloween. So as always, in your kit, you're going to get everything that you need. So we have this really cute black and white check squiggle stem, and we have a black and white little gingham flower we're going to use. We're going to put some of this fun wispy black grass, and of course ribbon. We always have to have a little pretty ribbon in anything that we make. So basically what we're doing is we're going to make like an accent type bow, and you've seen us make those many times. So when you trim your stem, you always want to make sure that you put a little glue on that bottom of that stem, because these paper wrap stems tend to want to come apart. So I've dipped that in some glue, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. This one actually snapped off of my stem, so it's a little bit shorter than normal. So you might want to cut yours with just a little bit longer length. But because I had torn this apart, we're going to use this one. So we're going to put these two like this together. But we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to make our bow. So as always, we're going to pinch and gather. Leave a little tail sticking up. Twist, make a loop, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Then we're going to take our black and white ribbon and leave a cute little tail sticking up, and we're going to make our little loops and mix this in. Now your black and white polka dot is going to be just a little bit longer, so you can have a little bit longer tail of it. And we're going to wire this off, and your wire is going to be included in your kit. So we're just going to wire this bow off nice and tight. And then we're going to take our two stems and just lay these on each other like so. And then we're going to go in and wire our bow to our creation. And when you wire your bow on, you'll actually be wiring your stems together as well. So I'm just going to twist this right around the back to hold everything together. And then we can go back in and fluff up our ribbon. Pull that little tail around, have our tail shooting out. Gonna move one of these little black loops up here, and then we're just gonna wire this right on to the top of our pumpkin, right around the top of our stem here, and just twist that nice and tight to hold that nice and securely. And you might even want to put just a little dot of glue under there with your glue gun if you'd like. And then we're just going to go back in and fluff up our bow and kind of manipulate our ribbons around. Open this back up. And then we're going to trim our tails. And with that wired ribbon, you can always just kind of pinch them and scrunch them, and they will look really cute, kind of hanging down. Kind of bend that up just a little bit so you can still see that happy part. And then last but not least, we have this really cute black grass. So we're just going to take this whole hank and put a little bit of glue on the bottom of that stem. And then I'm just going to tuck it in right up here into my bow that I've made. So you can leave it just like that with the grass hanging down if you wanted. You can kind of pull some through the design. You can also go through and just take a few of strands of your grass and go in and just catch those if you want to have some cute little loops. And you will have an extra piece of wire. And we can just go in and take this wire and wrap this right around here twist that off. And now we've added in some little paper grass loops. Can't talk today. We can add a couple more loops up here if you want. You can also just dip your grass into your glue if you'd like. I'm going to use a little stick here. Put a little glue on the bottoms of my stems and just tuck those right up in there. And how cute is our Happy Halloween pumpkin door sign? He's so cute and whimsy, and the colors just really pop on him. So make sure you check this out at shopdeeslouisville.com. Stay tuned for more fun kits and ideas from Dees.